Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Xbox app is not working. This is the problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay. Then first step for check the Windows update. Anyone Windows update pending to you will get update the Windows. And same time you will check the Expo app updates. Okay. This is the Expo app is anyone update pending to you will same time get update. Then third step for you will this first two step finish it you will check this error for not fix it you will connect to the next steps or fix it to get using the Expo app. Okay. Then third step for update the graphics driver. Get open the device manager, you will see the graphics driver, then right click to update driver. Then this is the old version or any one error to you will uninstall to reinstall the updated version graphics driver. Okay. Then fourth step for reset the Expo app. Then you will see that this Expo app is updated to no error for not fix it to you will reset the Expo app. Then reset and repair to any one file is used anyone not responding any application is not showing or anyone to this to repair and reset to always error for stopped after you will re-log in to you will check this error. Okay. Then fifth step for you will reset it and update it, always finish it to you will check this error maximum device for fix it or not fix it you will disable the antivirus to you will check this error. Okay. Or this first step is for principal is not responding to you will reinstall the Xbox app. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the command and thank you for watching.